Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Amazon seller account. Okay, go to your Play Store and download Amazon seller. Open it and continue. Select your country, where you from, and continue. And click on sign up button to create account. These all terms and condition. Okay, it will be loading Amazon seller. Okay, these are terms and condition. Verify your submission and your original NIC, your bank statement, your credit card, your mobile number, your business location, and click to begin. So I'm from Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan country and continue to begin. Okay, continue to begin. It will be loading. Again, interface you are looking like this. Business information. Okay, agree and continue. So select the category which business type you want. So I will select non, I am an individual. Okay, select I am an individual, and below type your first name, your middle name, and your last name, and click to agree and continue. So these are the procedure. You have to fill out all these, agree and continue. It will be load slow due to poor connection, internet poor connection. So it will be load soon. Or complete these 4 steps. Okay, fill out the all. This is your information, and when you fill out, then click to the next, and your account will be created. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.